I am back. Watch Tanya come out of people in place with all the food them in the world.
Listen.
R.I.P. to my loved one. We got this cute little pink girly look going on.
One pumpkin, one top soup.
Cuties, newbies, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a minute, guys. It's been 2 weeks to be exact since I pick up the camera. Yeah, I've been sick. I've been down trying to fight this stomach infection that I have. Crazy, I don't know, out of nowhere. But me I know what about that. Little more down in the vlog. Right now, me I go and cook out. Me da work and my friend called me and tell me say she have a cookout at our workplace and I must stop by. And I tell her, say me not no money, can me just pay my bills them. And she's like, girl, I work in here, you think I chicken, me a jerk? So I'm like, say less, I'll be there. So I'm run go home, change my clothes, you know, get cute, get fresh, get nice and clean. And now I'm heading to the cookout. I tried to do a little messy bun type thing, but Jesus, man, now work for me. I don't know what I go on, but it's gonna have to do today. Cause it is what it is. I buy one bun at the hair store for put on top of my head. Go home, me have too much ear. The bun won't go over my head, no matter how tight me wrap my ear, the bun just won't fit over my head and I carry it back on them so them nah, then can't take it back. So that is what it is. So yeah, I am so happy to be back and thank you guys so much for all the love, all the well wishes, all the get well soon, all the I miss you, the whole of that. Thank you guys so much. I receive it and I appreciate it. Okay. Yeah. So first me will go to my mother house. Grab something. She wants something in her house and she live close by to which part me I go. So me go stop there first, pick up what me I pick up and then just head to the cookout. Alright. I miss you guys. Oh my god. I am back. I love it. Oh, bye. Alright guys, so we just got all the stuff from now we're going to the cookout. I said the rain just start fall out of nowhere. Probably mash up the cookout. I said one bum come up on my face, this one it big like a house. Alright. Then. Alright guys, I'm reaching to cook out my son. Hopefully there's still a cookout because nobody not like cookout in the rain. Ooh, at 5 o'clock I'm eating hours. I'm excited for this fish. What me not buy? So guys, the whole of the messy one mess up. Let me open that door here?
Yeah, open one.
Oh. Thank you.
Satisfy me one time a month.
As I come around, I smell dumpling. Boy, guys, rain spoil the show. They say a baby fish?
They're making some more, they gotta sell it.
Alright then. I get fish, my love. Just show up and look cute. As I reach out, that's how I get 2 fish. That shot.
You get 2?
Fish. Let's see if we could do a OOTD. That's it, yeah? OOTD. Anyway, let's do an outfit check. I don't care what they want to call it. So we got this cute little pink girly look going on. I got the top. My top is from Shein. My bag, I think it's from Shein. I don't know, but I find it in my closet. Well, in my box. So I'm gonna throw it on. And I got this tight suit on. It's from Fendi. It's a Fendi 2-piece, but I couldn't wear the top because I get too fat. The top don't look too right. And then we have them cute little pink slippers on that I got from, I think it's the hair store. Yeah, I think it's the hair store. And yeah, that is it. That's the look before it gets too dark. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the cookout is kind of boring. It is. There's nothing to see because the rain is fast, so nobody not really around there. Somebody in at the bar, I'm gonna have a drink. And yeah, and that's it. I don't know what we're gonna do later, or maybe I don't know if we're gonna do anything later, or maybe it pick up. You know, if it pick up and make us see what's up. But if not, then later. I'll be a music I play if I get copyright, so yeah. What the hell are you looking at? Yeah. Yeah. Looking good. Nice. Yeah. Right. Cute is watch Tanya come out of people in place with all the food them in the world.
Listen, as my cousin shrimp.
All of the food in the world.
They pack me up here. A fair bag this year.
No,
This a fair bag.
watch out, one more bag in my hand.
Please, so what much bag? Where park?
Girl, which way you there?
Park up the car. Where you park?
I'm down the road.
Alright, meet me for yard.
Alright then. Mr. Cute, which part you there? Mr. Cuties. The other day, me and Kemar there at New York. And so one lady, I scraped the whole of the food out of the place. And the way we chat the woman. What we know. We had the fish fry and the fish fry over. And one only of food left. We don't know if it rain out or what. But bare food left. So, you know, my friend worked there, so she pack up some food and bring come give me. So it just remind me. But say it remind me of how the lady pack up the whole of the food them. I carry on the pan there. Go give my nephew. But me I'm gonna go meet Cameron now. Him say more we go have. Him say more we go get some smoothies. So me and Tanya head over there now. Alright.
I think it matches your outfit.
Go ahead. I'm getting fruits and all of that, granola and everything. Yep.
It only comes with strawberries.
It only comes with strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry as a fruit and then pineapple.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Did you want to add anything else or add-ins or anything?
No. Fruits are good. Smoothie. Huh?
Is that for you?
We're going. Kayyan. Kayyan. What you getting, Kamara?
Booster. Oh, around here said that. No deal with.
Y'all get what?
I get the booster.
I don't know what the hell is that.
One of them power smoothie. Banana, vanilla, protein, flax island. That look like spirulina.
Spirulina. Spirulina with it. I said the one fish of my belly feel pack. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat this.
There's two, so there's another one in there that's full. Kara, why you have my husband to keep fit?
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go. You're welcome.
This is spirulina.
Champagne. R.I.P. to my loved one. Whoa, whoa. The girl gonna stop and back it up on me like, hey,
When I come out
if
of the
me
way,
push you, if me push you on your ears, I'm a wicked.
you don't see if I move though.
Let me move.
You don't see if I move though.
Alright, so me move there. Today, Tanya, today, Taurus.
Hey,
My girl.
my shot short.
What?
My shot short.
Shot sure.
Of course it's short.
In here, so. A stripe, am I? Yeah.
Yo, that way too easy.
No, I them easy one they add.
I thought she want to eat the shot. She don't want to eat nothing. I thought she want to eat the shot.
Guys, it's Sunday. It was Sunday night. It's now 11:38. I'm gonna just have a try to eat this because I've been sleeping all day. put it in that freezer last night and then I just take it out to thaw out now. But it looks so good. Hopefully the freezer not spoil it. Oh, cool. Mm. Cool, mama. Think you want to tell some more. I think the granola got soft. It's not soft at all. Oh, cool. Nice. Now I'm going to get towel because someone can't enjoy it because it's too cold.
Give me some.
Last night? Cool, man. It's that I'm still kind of frozen. No.
Very complicated.
What now?
So one of them is something.
Granola and pineapple, strawberry, mango. But the smoothie is strawberry smoothie. It's good when you it's good. And then the chocolate, white and thing I'm chocolate and coconut on top of it too.
Yeah.
No, it's not because it's smoothie. It's all fruits except for like the chocolate swirl on top, but it's just fruits. It's just too cold. I can't throw it. So you have to dig in there too much. And give me my things. Can you dig like sire?
What is yours is mine.
No go so. You never put no ring on my finger. You give me my things.
But what is mine is yours, no?
Yeah.
And the ring still on your finger.
It don't matter.
Oh, so we're
I'll show you where. Come on, give me my things. We are dip again, far.
well, the man cool the tone, the man chocolate have a vibe.
Give me my... Not scrape up the wall of my chocolate and eat it off.
Cool the tone, the man.
Cool, but... Fine.
But then strawberry business, but chocolate and
No bother in and none of the business them. Give me something.
Strawberry and the pineapple them. Them kind of active still.
Yeah, scrape down the wall of my stuff off the top and I eat it.
Huh?
Me stuff them from the top. All of my
Why?
goodies them, yeah, scrape them down and I eat them. Give me my... I go like I want dip again. But give me my cover then, give me. Give me cover.
Well, man. I have one more dip out there.
Real? Did you give me the dip out of here last night?
Of course, I give my one for taste.
Yes.
I take
One
big
look
gulp out there.
lie, me take one look of soup and me put it back because I don't know what that's spurling and all these things.
Really,
Something.
you another part them want to be.
Which
You
part?
take it same way.
You can get that you not get the morning?
Want some chocolate mix in it.
The black chocolate? The brown chocolate?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. Now come back. But it's
First
stout.
I went up on the flour. Not too fancy, but chocolate mix. Yeah, work.
It's good. What, babe? We're gonna look one show for watch, you know. See what's going on. Come on, say I'm gonna make patty. We get some patty from Jamaica. I don't know, but this patty is just not my patty. Oh, by the way, my sister, thank you so much for the patty. But next time you send some patty for me, send mother's patty. I'm a mother's patty girl, you know. I can't deal with Casey's patty. But anyway, Let me know down in the comment section which patty are my favorite patty. For me is mother's. Mother's, juicy beef is not really a thing. No, I tried already too, but mother's patty to me, oh god man. Full of meat and so much better. So soft and I don't know. Tastes patty just let them just stay for around throw a little bit of meat in there. And still we outside throw the meat tonight. And then the crust is just not giving. I don't know, but I still appreciate it, my sister. Thank you very much. So yeah. Um that is it. We're gonna make patty and well not make tomorrow make patty. We're gonna look for a movie. And then maybe we pick it up. But if not, I'll see you guys Monday. Alright. What happened? I don't know. Patty them look dry like the one.
Preheat. Yo, mood I love you know what is myself people say a patty, watch it. Yo, the meat look liquid like you don't put peanut butter on one bread. And you just use the knife and just wipe liquor right on it. Cha-cha.
Come on, you're scared of your trim, so. Oh my
Have this.
god. I'm passing KFC. Yo, me I telling you say, the diet, yeah? Today I one of the first day I feel hungry. Like I've been doing so good. Wait till 5 o'clock before me eat with my fasting. I've been doing real good with the fasting. But today I am just so hungry. I don't know why. But me I go hold it out still. Me I hold it out and keep drinking my water. Because the weight you have to lose before vacation. I'm excited for vacation. But anyway, I look crazy, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Your girl will get cute real soon, okay? I'm gonna get cute real soon. Right now, I'm just go on cruise. Just pay all the bills, them and listen. Anybody got time for hair and nails? Rent have to pay, car note have to pay. All these things have to get done. Right? Alright. So now me I try go to the store and pick up some stuff. When I have no napkin in the house. I run out of tissue. So I go to the store and pick up them stuff there and then me go wash the car, yeah. Car dirty bad. The car want a service, it a scream for your oil change. But me not get no appointment until we are Thursday. You know me should have got a bank. Me should have really stopped at the bank. Carelessness. But me can't bother. Maybe when I come back. Maybe when I'm coming back. Me have a fashion over vlog for you guys and my ear is just a mess, man. I can't. I could turn him down because I disturb the piece. Better make it hang up on him. Yeah, I stop at 2 store and I can't get the cream. So now I just go wash my car and go home.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want.
Over and over, the way you make me feel from deep down in my soul. I'm losing all control. Feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good. The way your perfume is with love that only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. What a night. What a vibe, what a vibe. What a night. I want that ready. I want that. I want that ready, so. No put it to peel that. No, no stress me out. Hey cuties, we are home. Come on, sit I'll cook some food. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna get the rice and come back and then show no. But I don't know if I'm telling this, I'm gonna lose the content. What you call it? Yeah. What you want mixed veg for though? You look up in the top of the cupboard if you still mixed veg up there? Yes. No. Anyway, guys, come down away my cook. I don't know what cook no. See, fashion over all year what I have to do. But I cannot do that all year until my ear comb. It's a lot of clothes. But my ear have to comb first.
Red and green.
Come on, love me now.
Hey, watch out. Me.
Red and green what?
Pepper.
Me up at Dollar General, me I go.
Oh, alright.
But anyway, I lose all of the rest of the closet content. So this is what the house looking like. Because I end up, I never want to talk about it. I so cry about it already. Because trust me, it was some good content. But I end up lose it. So this is what we have. All them box here full of clothes and shoes and slippers and bag and all them stuff there. So what we end up do, push the living room back. We did all that and we lose the whole light. We videoed the whole light and lose it. And if you remember over here, so the stay, hit the turn long way. So we turn it the way here and then push it back. So the dining room is actually way smaller. And then we bring the living room come back some more so that the box them can roll over there. So yeah, so that's what we did. So upset about losing that content. Come here telling me say it was so funny. It was so funny taking down the stuff them. I never want to show you in a team room right now because him destroy it. But just know say No, sir, I never want to look in him. I'm not that door here. Just no say him. Me give him the TV with the out here, so. See, I be your shoes pack up on this now. This is some of my sneakers then. Yeah. Oh, guys, what am I telling you say? It upset me if you even think about the content I'm going to lose. We still a try get it back. Camera still a try. We'll pay for your one. What you call it? What my key there? You say you want rice. Rice and mixed veg. We pay for your one website. But so I'm telling you how we call one place where them say fix SD card or your format, they delete your stuff, then you can actually get it back. Retrieve last data place. And the people them say they can do it. They can do it, but it starts from 300 and it goes all the way up to $2,700. I don't know what them think me a retrieve, but I don't have no spy stuff on my camera. If you tell me it's $2,700 for retrieve some data. So check it, I'm not sure. It's good? Okay. You're welcome. So we pay for one website for ourselves and we are trying to do it. We still are trying to do it, even up to last night. Because it was some good content and I really feel like I want it back. But I'm not pay $2,700 to get it back. Crazy? No, my love. And then get 2,000 views on it. That's not gonna work. But anyway, we're gonna buy some rice.
Oh, yeah, 11. Yep, you're right. They moved it. Cash your card. 15.
That's fine. Where the rice? I know it'll be the dirty rice then, Jesus. It's the only type of rice you have, huh? Oh, Jesus. You could? You could? Yeah, thank you.
I can, that's fine.
This is Interface Security monitoring recording.
Well, I can name them rice,
With
guys.
live audio and video. The security check is being conducted at random.
Me cannot cook this rice. This a long grain? Put your grain on this long. Look on the grain then. Wait there. Lazy, I don't want to go in a Jamaica store now. I'm going to go because I can't eat that the rice there.
My last name is not Dollar General.
Alright. Anyway, cuties, I went back in and got the rice. I called Cameron himself to get it. So I guess him better than me because I can't cook it. I can't cook it, my love. So I just go back to the house now and figure out what we better do for the rest of the day. Cameron done cook in a 2.3 seconds. I don't understand how the food they cook so fast. And why him put so much food on my plate? You don't understand diet?
Never about so younger.
Yeah, that not mean if I full my plate of food like that.
Well, better you have enough and not want it more than not have enough and want it.
Jesus. But me no know how the man done cook so fast. It's curry chicken with a whole heap of vegetable and white rice. The white rice actually come out good. If I mean, never ever looks at all. Now, let's do the taste test, shall we? Plate hot like a fat. Oh, babes, you should tell for me. Plate hot your ferg. No, more one untowel, one, yeah, tablecloth, whatever they want to call. So I should have taken the elastic out of my mouth long time. Because my teeth still feel tender, I just take it out.
I play just a ball for my boy, you hungry.
Just pineapple.
You have pineapple in there?
Pineapple and chicken?
Yeah.
I fancy food.
Pineapple, broccoli, carrot, string bean, corn, green peas. So you depend on that, so you get enough veggie down.
Anyway, cuties, I'm going to eat my dinner and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm not nothing serious at night, so tomorrow. What's up, my beautiful people? So, guys, I just got home from work. What was the tired for me say that though? We just come from work. And my ear really bother me. My ear really bother me. So, because it's not ear just a time, I go cream my ear. I go relax my ear for those who don't know what cream ear is. I go relax my ear, make it more manageable. Because if you don't know, I have thick curly ear. Thick curly ear. That's why I like for silk press it. And when I do that, it only lasts me like 2 or 3 days because the humidity right now, as I touch it, it gone again. It gets fluffy and furry and I can't manage it. So right now, I go at the store, I go get some perm and I go perm my ear. And it's a beautiful day, so I feel like I cook some soup, but you know that can't go in another house right now. It's too hot. It's too hot for that, so we will cook some cow skin soup outside. Listen, I am excited for that. Ow! What the hell was that? Oh! One box, another box a while ago. But anyway, let's grab one of these. Creamier. I need one of them big comb there. I could do this. This would be good. Cuties, these are actually real good. If you don't see them on the internet and I wonder if them work, trust me, they work really well. It's just that that's something easy to pull out the thing in the back, but it detangle here good. Alright, so if you don't have hair like mine hard for comb out, get you one of those. What else do I need? Alright, cuties, so I get one more from the ear store. I say I give Kemar the camera for vlog and Kemar don't vlog nothing. Kemar have the camera, I watch me. I go around the store and the camera not tape. You never see something like this? Crazy. But just take the camera from the mother while I go and look on it. Mr. Camera, you look at the camera? No. Him think say it there. I not look. I really and truly not look. So right now I'm gonna park my car and jump in a theme vehicle because I guess I'm have to stop at the tire shop and then we're gonna go at the we're gonna go at the what you call it? The store. Forget the meat and the stuff for the soup. Which we're on good time. By the time we reach over my house, the sun probably calmed down a little bit. So some rotted all over here, say you see, man. Jesus, I don't know what kind of road them here foreign. Say, that me never see the whole big star Jamaica yet. Crazy. Cutie say hey to the man who lose all the vlog a while ago. Ooh, say my record and not record. What you mean by blame me for everything? Me give the camera and say vlog.
Yeah, you give the camera and say vlog.
Uh-huh.
And usually you set it.
No, usually nothing. No, me know you gotta tell life for me now.
Me I gotta tell life for
No, usually nothing.
And then guess what? You see true, it did kinda, me still kinda had to wrap my mind round. Oh, you call me and I yes me, say hurry up and forward. I'ma put on my clothes and come out. When I reach up there, me seeing the same thing when me I wear.
Enough, you enough.
Me seeing
Enough,
the same
you
thing when me I
enough.
wear.
You're very enough, and that's the problem.
Always want to be like me.
First of all, we didn't. You know what? Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Turn off this music, please. Can't take a copyright. Him just
know
know.
Say you go twinning.
Him just always wanna be like me. You know what I mean? Yeah. Whenever I talk to people like that, you just
about
always
a year now, me see
wanna
where you pull my t-shirt. Never even see another shot say yet. Me never even know say you have camouflage shots.
You're wicked.
Alright, show you a video call when you put on my clothes and you see me put on my clothes.
Well, I can't wait to get one of the little puppy there. Me video call ya?
Yes.
Me video call for Evelyn? My name's not gonna run him down. My name's not gonna in the talking right now. We're either on the Jamaican store. Where you go? Call us or you got a tire shop first?
Yeah, I got a tire shop. So I don't know what I'm to my tire them, but I really don't know what my tire them are nail in.
But I'm telling you something about Kemar people.
Every other week I pick up a nail.
Kemar drive bad. I'm telling you, Kemar drive like him don't care about vehicle. See me I tell you that me I talk about. Him drive like, oh, a car, I'm in a business with car. And him jump in every pothole and him just swerve and him just like care about vehicle at that meeting. So him have to pick up nail every week.
Jump in every pothole.
You do.
One pot me ever know in my life, you know me, and I never know nothing, you know.
I don't know, listen, I don't know where your mind there, but I talk about the pothole on the roadside. You jump in at every one of them. Him drive bad. I went on a speeding road, Kemar, so the biggest hole in front time and say him never see it. I don't know what, him need glasses. Him probably need glasses, I don't know. But, which for your tire place there?
I
you that over there, sir?
People in tire place over there, so they never have no crowd over there yet, so that's why I'm working on it. Quick and fast, less than 3.
Oh my God, the sun is sunning. You see Neil? Probably have 10 more nails of them too.
Yo, I just saw one nail.
No.
You know how long that nail in there too? A nail in there about, probably about a month and a half.
No, I guarantee you have more.
Me first, it go Puma.
Show them mine.
And she run out and follow me. She has got camouflage shorts too, you know.
I look better though. I look better.
Thing, yes, you look better. I'm not take that from you. You bring me off.
Bye bye. Less than 3. It gone already? Them say taste and buy. We have taste 2 or 3. Get up, guys. Them say taste and buy, babes.
Taste and buy?
Yeah. The record.
Guys on the rib. Yeah?
Them ugly but them nice.
Them ugly but them nice.
Yeah?
Them alright.
Them
Yeah.
nice. They're too bad.
Yo, I don't know 5-star Guinness them here.
Ain't no 5-star getting nowhere in America.
Them Guinness be about.
Anyway, guys, while Kamara catch a fire, I'm sure no have. I don't know what going with my gimbal, but it not going right. The gimbal. So anyway, we have everything prepped right here. We have corn, Irish, yam. What else up my name?
Dashi.
Dashi, see that there? We have everything prepared. We prep them from upstairs. And then we have the utensils them over there, so. We have the pot here where Will want scrub full of curry. I don't know why it looks like a mar? You can't scrub the pot. So what if I'm my pot? I can't scrub it. It looked terrible.
You come blame me for your pot.
It looked very terrible. And then we all have all the seasoning right here, so a little seasoning what we need. And we have put 2 spinners in the pot. We have a cocky soup.
Right, so time for my greatest invention.
What's your greatest invention?
With these hands, I create fire.
Bro, shut up. What are you burn up yourself? Attack foolishness.
That you say?
Tomorrow can't find the lighter fluid. So all tomorrow them time, yeah.
What you do with it the last time we use it?
All tomorrow them time, yeah.
Oi.
Yeah man, with these hands you create fire. Anyway, cuties, I have some ice, yes, so I have the little bottle of wine and I say I can't wait for 5 o'clock. Cause I go and get down into it. It's soon 5 o'clock, you know. Soon 5 o'clock for my drink. And Kamara go drink some street vibes. Him mother they carry the street vibes. See, him alone drink this, you know, people. Him alone drink the street vibes.
You
Because
drink
no, me did sick.
Really?
Me did sick. Yeah, so him alone get down in the night.
Making some street vibes for the, you know.
No, you don't make me no street vibes. I'm wait till 5 o'clock for drink that. Kamara, go take the pot off of the fire.
Make that go and blaze.
Remember to put it under the cold water. I don't know if you know nothing about pressure pot. So we have the cow foot, I pressure a little bit upstairs. So it may tell him if we go far. So now I'm gonna just start my ear because sun gone and it's nice out here. It's a beautiful day. Yes it is. Guys, wish me they have little wish me they have one coal stove. I don't know if you know the XXL wine, yeah? But this bitch got 16% alcohol. And it's really good. Tastes so nice. It's hot, that's why I drink it with the... At what time now? It's 4:50. 4:54. It's soon time for eat. Make it go and chill by 5 o'clock come. I made that. I'm gonna start with this. The ear in the kitchen now go work. Hell for this comb out now, you know, guys. Hell for comb this out here now. I went mess along with the pot. The whole of the fire burn out. For the fire.
Holy fire that, you know. I know they might well.
I'm not going.
Might well.
Everything's soft, you're freak. Guess I don't know if everything I go well. So make look like everything go in there first. The Irish thing can stay till last.
Let's say on pot. Hold that with the next one.
This?
Not the pot, this, yeah.
Make all the pumpkin them and the carrot them go in there. Okay, my dumpling for going at this now? This is too much.
No, we only dumpling that going in.
Right. Right. Alright, thank you. Is that too much food?
Remember, so some might have a boil out, you know.
Nothing less than I boil out.
Too much food.
Yeah. Alright, make that go and simmer. At 5 o'clock yet? Jesus. At 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Cheers.
Bring the water downstairs.
Babes, turn the pot now, I'm gonna wash me here anyway. Wait, pat there. I never see somebody use 2 and need flour yet.
Yeah, they call plate a slide all about.
So you don't hold it with 1 and then need a sign.
Hey, watch out, man.
Boy, come on, you really can't need flour.
Me never hide it.
You don't use your finger need flour, no, you use your hand. But that's a teacher.
Me know why you teach me.
Alright, sorry then.
Flour. Every time I make dumpling, I eat them though.
Yeah, but me just tell yeah, see there your hand, right? There you go, smart boy.
Yeah. Smart boy, where boy there?
Smart man.
Hey, watch out, man.
Smart daddy.
Sound better.
It's so sad. Pot a bubble in a trouble. Take it off me, Naka. Pot a bubble.
Who says that? Pot a bubble in a trouble.
Come on, leave me alone, no man.
Out of my kitchen here, man.
Just leave me alone. I need your flour, please.
No more out of my kitchen. So you take out my pot cover for man. Eh?
Come.
Yeah, take out my pot cover for.
Guys, we're seasoning the pot now. We'll put 2 cock soup, 1 pumpkin and 1 cock soup.
So 1 pumpkin, 1 cup soup. You know the difference with the pimento seed and the powder?
Alright, that's good. That's good. Come.
Done the food done for me. Right, that's it done.
Get the seasoning.
All-purpose chicken seasoning.
I'll show you.
Never that.
What else did I forget in the adobo? Are you going there already? Okay.
Butter.
Look a bit of salt. Bro, just cut the butter and put it in there and leave that
stop,
stuff.
hey, stop bombers me, man. Are you want to make soup or me?
I don't care what make soup.
Hmm?
Pumpkin them are getting mashed. Gotta get the stuff from the bottom, babe.
I know.
No, you don't.
Never heard it.
You never already ate. You just a whipping in for bun.
Oh, me that. Hey, you know
Alright, this can't do too much mixing after this, guys. The Irish them a mash up. Irish them a mash up, eh?
your belly full now?
Yeah, belly full. Your belly full?
No.
Back to the ear process. Just pack up back the box. Okay, cutie, so what part the ear now for? No, me go creep. Oh, you know what me now have? Come here, you have a gloves? You have gloves upstairs, huh? Can I beg you 2 gloves, please? Because I can't use the comb like what the ear just said them do. I have to use my hand. So the end them straight, the root so thick. So I just start cream the root. Well, I cream the whole light. I put some Vaseline around the rim to prevent burn. You're supposed to put it all in your ear, but anybody got time for that? I just put it around the rim so I don't get burned up. I think that's good. I'm not add nothing more. It is what it is. Ooh, damn. I forget I opened that. Need a mirror, my love. I'll me taste a boom. In a bun gas. In a bun gas. Alright, we're gonna do that to all 4 of them. You know, I was supposed to get my hair braided today, but braiding my hair will cost on 2 bills, and I don't have it right now, guys, because I plan for my vacation. Like my ticket book and everything already, so I have to go and save the little money, you know what I mean? Go and save the little money until when my vacation come, I get to enjoy myself, you know? Yeah. Because when I act like I have it and I don't. I really don't have it. I suffer, but I don't have it right now. The back is the hardest part.
You know Cartel?
What do you mean if I know a cartel?
Like you don't know him personally.
Don't say. We never see cartel yet.
So him love sing about yourself. You're there. You that too.
I'm gonna make this soak. So I call to share the one to make up this soup now. Here, keeps falling. Look at this. Look at this long straw right here. Here keeps falling out, bro.
Boom, they uploaded it straight to their POP site. No Photoshop, no design degree.
One worm you go on sober?
So yeah, basically pre-sold
Come
designs.
on.
No, come on, get rid of that
Previous
shit.
part is they did this with 5 different designs.
Oh
in
my
under
God.
10 minutes.
One
So
worm
let's
you
check
go on
out
so.
It's a worm. It's a big worm.
and t-shirts.
What am I gonna do?
Templates,
Crawl by your toe?
Yes. What the hell?
How you two up good? Put up.
Yes.
Which, let's go with this one. Mint and Kindle, I can use a meaningful features and easy to
Yeah, John, me.
creating your own best-selling products.
Jesus
Kindle,
Christ.
you can get
It's
started.
like gobbly, gobbly.
Yeah, Jordan, you go there. Back. Give me some
Join
money.
Google Fi Wireless and get Pixel 9a on us. Make sure no one is left out of your photo with AdMe. Take one with the group.
So active.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Hello, welcome in. What's your name?
My name's Reese.
Reese, how
What
old are you?
one?
And
Wanna show you?
From Phoenix, and I actually moved to from Oregon.
okay, nice. And what do you do?
I'm an
Reese.
executive over at a mortgage firm.
Cool. Now, what are some things you like to do
Reese
for
look
fun?
like him dip on the borderline too, you know.
What do you like to do for fun?
I usually like to work out at the gym.
I hate to do like a skin tone thing. I like darker skin, you know, like I want dark skin. That's it.
That's fair enough.
No, she's someone that's okay.
Yeah, she's very pretty. She has a very pretty eyes, very pretty smile. Very pretty.
Cause she just feel like she had a thing out there, you know.
Alright, cuties, this is it.
It don't look good.
Leave it to the cuties. And then tell me if it look good. Cause I don't know who trouble a big shine ball head man here. Or who trouble when I know ear upon him head. Who am I talk to?
It don't look good.
Bad mind.
I know bad mind.
Bad mind is a sin.
Your head too big for them rollers.
Bad mind is a sin. She don't have no ear.
That's so go. I mean, it's a man
Anyway,
thing.
my beautiful people, that is it for this
One
vlog.
with the big head, my friend.
Please shut up, let me end my vlog, please. Be quiet. Go watch your pop the
I
balloon.
like your big head though. It's cute.
Go and watch your pop the balloon.
And your rollers them look cute.
Move, man.
Hottest big head girl with rollers.
Jesus. Anyway, cuties, this is it. Thank you guys so much for chilling with us. Do not forget to like the video, guys. And when you like the video, there's this new thing. When you like the video on the seed comp, I think it's called, is it super like? I think it's super like or something. But hype. Yeah, it's hype the video up. So once you like it, your seed comp, you press it, it's free. You just press it. I think you can do it like twice or 3 times a week. Yeah, so I would really appreciate it if you guys hype up the video, make some more people see it, you know. We're growing slowly and I appreciate it, but we need to grow faster. We need to get to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Yes, we need to get to 10,000 subscribers. Make our family get big and big things. Anyway, my cuties, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Bye for now.
That's cool. Big up on yourself.
Bye, guys.